Script, Toyota Grand Highlander 2024 review. Video opens with a dynamic shot of the Toyota Grand Highlander driving through a scenic landscape. Narrator, welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the Toyota Grand Highlander, the newest addition to the Highlander family. Is it big enough to handle your crew? Is it powerful enough for your adventures? Let's find out. Cut to exterior shots of the Grand Highlander. Narrator, right off the bat, the Grand Highlander boasts a bold, yet refined exterior. It's larger than its predecessor, offering a commanding presence on the road. The split headlight design gives it a distinctive look, while the rugged body cladding hints at its versatility. Cut to interior shots. Narrator, step inside, and you're greeted with a spacious, upscale cabin. The Grand Highlander offers plenty of legroom for both rows, and the third row is surprisingly comfortable for adults. The materials used feel premium, and the tech integration is top-notch. Toyota's latest infotainment system is responsive and user-friendly. Cut to a shot of the driver's perspective. Narrator, under the hood, the Grand Highlander offers a range of powertrain options, including hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants. We had the opportunity to test the hybrid model, and we were impressed by its balance of power and fuel efficiency. It's perfect for daily commutes and weekend getaways. Cut to a shot of the Grand Highlander driving on a winding road. Narrator, handling is surprisingly agile for a vehicle of this size. The Grand Highlander corners confidently, and the ride is comfortable even on rough roads. The available all-wheel drive system provides extra grip when conditions get slippery. Cut to shots showcasing cargo space and third-row seats. Narrator, one of the Grand Highlander's biggest strengths is its versatility. The cargo area is ample for everyday needs, and with the third-row seats folded down, you've got plenty of space for larger items. Speaking of the third row, it's surprisingly comfortable for adults, making long journeys enjoyable for everyone. Cut to a shot of the Grand Highlander parked in front of a family-friendly location. Narrator, the Toyota Grand Highlander is more than just an SUV, it's a family-friendly vehicle that prioritizes safety and comfort. It comes equipped with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. Cut to a final shot of the Grand Highlander. Narrator, in conclusion, the Toyota Grand Highlander is